boy, World Cup qualifier. But one man, they tell the whole country, Sempe Nigerians, make una calm down, make una no worry, nothing they happen. And the coach of the team, Chelle. After that thing, we happen for Chan, we be say all of us won't sharply forget. He don't come out and say people don't write Nigeria off. But that one no dey bother am. In the focus on players and the kind of preparation where they go put in place ahead of the games between Rwanda and South Africa on September 6th and September 9th. We know the Nigerian story for that group. Nigeria they fought for there just 6 points after 6 games, and the coach they talk say in focus now that the remaining 4 games we go start with Rwanda and South Africa. No need to tell you Nigeria they condemned to winning those 2 games, because anything we make Nigeria no win any of those 2 games forget matters. So Nigeria need to go that World Cup, because after Nigeria win those 2 games against Rwanda and South Africa, Nigeria supposed to like 1 point behind South Africa. Get us that thing before there, but Nigeria they hope, we see they hope say South Africa collect that 3 points Akpako, we say they go feud that player, because we believe say truly South Africa do and whether they complain or not, FIFA statutes don't put and say whether they complain or not, as long as you don't commit the crime, you must face the time. So as we wait for FIFA to do that thing on top of South Africa, Super Eagles self, they must go do their homework. They must get the winning against Rwanda, South Africa, and the remaining 2 teams where they go play. So as Chelle, the coach of Super Eagles, the ginger say, man, in boys go do well. Who am I? I can only support him. I wish him well, and I wish say as they go play those games, they will carry enough goals. They'll go in the market, buy plenty basket, carry goals, go load all of those teams, because Nigeria need them. Okay, to ginger the team, make I play on this one. Loaded Ashake, where in feature Tiwa Savage. Make una enjoy this one.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Evergreen music there by Tubaba. Woo! Mama, they tell you, even if they tell you a different story, not to worry. On top 89.9 Yanga FM. Now the same jolly story we they give now every day. You understand? Because we got you covered. Now they call us the station with Sabi. Yanga Sports on the program. On your member one, I they here with you. Before we go that musical break, I tell you, say I go give an update of Nigerians where they on the move. Ladies and gentlemen, make I let you know, say Rasheedat Ajibade, the AFCON winning captain of the Super Falcons, she don't dump Atletico Madrid now, don't join Paris Saint-Germain Femini. The contract which she signed until 2027. Rasheedat Ajibade, we see many of us believe saying that the incoming African Woman Footballer of the Year, after all the steez which she showed for the African Cup of Nations, she will carry all the beautiful football where she play for Spain, go Paris Saint-Germain. With the wish and luck, with the wish and more goals, with the wish and more flexing, more equalizing, and in the end, make she bring some investment, come back into Nigeria. Still on the matter, make I let you know say Getafe Super Eagles midfielder Christantus Uche. Now wanted man, with a hear report say Wolverhampton Wanderers don't complete the deal of 20 million euros for the man. But one team they tell him, wait, before you go England, wait, make we show you what they offer you. Whether you go one come join us. The Rossoneri of Italy, AC Milan, they won't get Christantus Uche. Make we see how this one go pan out. Whether he go decide to go the Premier League or he go the Italian Serie A after Victor Boniface due to AC Milan no go through. We could see whether this Nigerian go one risk and for there. I go come the limelight of the English Premier League, because me I believe say Christantus Uche na very good midfielder, na ball carrier, and he's strong on the ball. So in the combination of power and flair, he go favor him for the English Premier League. But more they see as that one go dey pan out. Only time go tell. All of us know say transfer window go end September 1st. So before then, many ins and outs go dey happen for various clubs, and we expect the Nigerians they go get good lot for that one. Talking about good lot for Nigeria, all of us know say September don dey reach. Oh boy, World Cup qualifier. But one man they tell the whole country, Sempe Nigerians, make una calm down, make una no worry, nothing they happen. And the coach of the team, Chelle. After that thing we happen for Chan, we be say all of us won't sharply forget. He don't come out and say people don't write Nigeria off. But that one no dey bother am. In the focus on players and the kind of preparation where they go put in place ahead of the games between Rwanda and South Africa on September 6th and September 9th. We know the Nigerian story for that group. Nigeria they fought for there just 6 points after 6 games, and the coach they talk say in focus now that the remaining 4 games we go start with Rwanda and South Africa. No need to tell you Nigeria they condemned to winning those 2 games, because anything we make Nigeria no win any of those 2 games forget matters. So Nigeria need to go that World Cup, because after Nigeria win those 2 games against Rwanda and South Africa, Nigeria supposed to like 1 point behind South Africa. Get us that thing before there, but Nigeria they hope, we see they hope say South Africa collect that 3 points Akpako, we say they go feud that player, because we believe say truly South Africa do and whether they complain or not, FIFA statutes don't put and say whether they complain or not. As long as you don't commit the crime, you must face the time. So as we wait for FIFA to do that thing on top of South Africa, Super Eagles say they must go do their homework. They must get the winning against Rwanda, South Africa, and the remaining 2 teams where they go play. So as Eric Chelle, the coach of Super Eagles, the ginger say, man, in boys go do well. Who am I? I can only support him. I wish him well, and I wish say as they go play those games, they will carry enough goals. They'll go in the market, buy plenty basket, carry goals, go load all of those teams because Nigeria need them. Okay, to ginger the team, make I play on this one. Loaded Ashake, where in feature Tiwa Savage. Make una enjoy this one. Long time. Now the title of the Gbedu we just listen right now. Whiskey way in feature Skepta for that one. You know, say once Whiskey drug Gbedu like this, that one an international banger. Now those kind of Gbedu you gonna hear for on top 89.9 Yanga FM. We'll be the station with Sabi and so we're gonna do our things. Yanga Sports, not the program. Onye Meme one, now my name. Before I go the last musical break, I've been discuss the Super Eagles situation ahead of the qualifiers for the 2026 World Cup. Make a refresh and make a let know say Super Eagles they're 6 points behind South Africa. So even if Super Eagles go South Africa, go win all their games, and FIFA deduct point, you'll come down to go difference or more work plenty. Now, why did they tell you? Say make you the pursue black gold for morning, for afternoon, before night reach. Well, we wish them well. May they buy halogen lamp, buy torch, go find that black gold because they must find this one ahead of the World Cup. Okay, we'll go to US Open right now. May I give an update? They still did the first round. But as we talk and say, we know what made the big seats, then they come out and then they show workings and they listen to us. Well, today, one lady graced the court. Venus Williams, she lose to Karolina Muchkova, the world number 11 for their 11-seeded player. She lose 3-6, 6-2, 1-6. When it comes to Venus Williams, now participation, we just want to see them. They come around, whatever she achieved, no yawa for that one. World number 5, Mira Andreeva, she win her game today in 2 sets. Later today, the number 8-seeded Amanda Anisimova and world number 2, Igor Swiatek, they go take to the courts today. We wish themselves for that one. For the men's, you see the first round for the US Opens for Flushing Meadows. Carlos Alcaraz winning game today by straight sets in beats the American Riley Opeka. Later tonight, Yannick Sinner go take on Vit Kopriva. We wish them well for there because we know say when it comes to the male game, these 2 guys they look themselves say this is not the last Grand Slam of the year. We go catch ourselves for that finals, and when we reach there, may the better man win this one. Talking about the better man, we go enter the world of Formula 1 right now. Make I tell una say one new car. Don't tell them say all of una Ferrari, Mercedes, Red Bull, una they shine. Will they come collect this thing from una? Who be the car brand we go to join from 2026? Now Cadillac. Cadillac go join the Formula 1 races. They go be the 11th team. We go day on the grid from 2026, and they don't get their racers already. Sergio Perez and Valtteri Bottas, 2 of them are 35 years old. You go don't know say they don't want all these young boys rofo for their first season for Formula 1. They want 2 matured guys. We go give them a matured experience. Cadillac would tell now welcome to Formula 1. Una self go see what in the others they feel for them, and I hope say they benefit for where others live. And one man will come out from Red Bull Oga Christian Horner. I would then sack after 20 years. They can't ask the CEO of Cadillac, say, now carry these bros come back. As these bros get all the experience now, since say they won't go pick drivers, they go pick experienced men. They come tell them say, go carry this guy come, and the CEO to say, I beg. They don't hear that rumor since Christian Horner no go join Cadillac for next year. We look forward to the Formula 1 season next year. Where we say Cadillac go join, go see the competition where they go bring for this one. Where we say the racers and the constructors, they go to hustle for the top prize for Formula 1. Anyhow, we be for there, just know say we're going to drop on for now. We're going to give now the update of Yanga Sports for 89.9 Yanga FM. Okay, don't forget I tell you, say if you follow me on all social media platforms to chook mouth for everything we talk for you right now. 09048213013 on top YouTube na Yanga FM Nigeria, Instagram, TikTok and X na Yanga 899 FM. Our website na www.yanga899.fm where you go feed the streamers from anywhere all over the world. Listen to this Gbedu, they call him Check, call this one Bad Boy. You know, as a bad boy, they talk him say, I'm a bad boy, I do what bad boys do. Enjoy this music from Check. Oh, ye the remix, sweet music there from Flavor when feature Tiwa Savage. Come, the code where they blow for Nigeria these past few days. Well, who go import that code enter Nigeria? Because I don't even understand again. Go the code where that this past few 1 week. I know so many people like me we be saying AA. We don't get our malaria pack, malaria starter pack. We don't bring them out this week. Well, everybody just take it easy. Try to get enough vitamin C. All those lemon in the morning. You don't start for empty stomach. Try put them in your body so that everybody go day. You know your immunity go day up. You go day strong and you go feed day active. Yeah, it's 9.9 Yanga FM, the station where Sabi Yanga Sports on the program. And maybe the radio's finest storyteller, sports finest storyteller, Onye Mehmet one. Make I give a story from the world of transfers right now. Paris Saint-Germain don't talk say, oh boy, Gianluigi Donnarumma, now 1 year remain for your contract. Oga Conde go. You know, say he don't agree personal terms with Manchester City. We still won't sell their Brazilian goalkeeper Ederson. But as it be like this now, Paris Saint-Germain, they say, even I just bring 30 million euros. Let's say before they say now 43 million euros. We say now if you bring just 30 million euros, we go sell the player I give you. You know, as it be 1 year for a contract. Instead, mainly for free, made them cash out quickly. Arsenal, the vest for the transfer window right now. Arsenal won't sell Jacob Kiwior to FC Porto. The money that will take and go sign Piero Hincapié from Bayer Leverkusen. Arsenal won't strengthen 2 good players for every position this season because they won't win the league, they won't win the Champions League, they won't make the fans get the bragging right to Chelsea fans they enjoy right now as the champions of the world. Talking about Chelsea, if you feel say you don't tire for Chelsea for this transfer window, no worry. Your tire no reach UEFA as UEFA don't tell Chelsea right now. Say, see, make we tell una. Before una go fit sign any player, una must sell players wey play for Europa League qualification stage. Yes, that elimination second round of Europa League. Now Chelsea must sell those players now before they go fit sign any player. All of us know say UEFA been hit Chelsea with 31 million euros fine because they don't meet the financial fair play rules. After that club World Cup, Chelsea just put their hand for their back pocket, just pay UEFA. UEFA come they look there and say, if una do this thing again, we go find una 91 million euros. But now Chelsea check their back pocket, say, oh boy, 91 million euros no deal. They come tell us, okay, UEFA, how go settle this matter now? Waiting go be the condition, and UEFA come tell and say, una must sell players wey play for elimination stage of the Conference League last season. So players like the Nkunku, players like the Nicolas Jackson, now Chelsea must sell now before Chelsea go fit sign the Xavi Simons or Alejandro Garnacho. Chelsea there for a very tight situation. But that's what that situation. Chelsea they're stubborn. I no go lie for you. With the yesterday Chelsea they go for Fermin Lopez of Barcelona. Now the news where they drop right now, Chelsea won't sign Fermin Lopez of Barcelona for 43 million euros. I know say Barcelona right now that they go through some sakpa bien. So if Chelsea present that money, they feel collect them. But the question I say, where Fermin Lopez won't play? See our squad choke that 5-1 where Chelsea win West Ham. Where all these players won't play Chelsea? I mean, they plan increase football from 90 minutes to 100 minutes. Waiting they occur. Anyhow, September 1st, now we go know whether all this talk now rumor be not true. Because by then the transfer window go down short and no more excuse for any club anymore. It will be the question of performance until the January transfer window go open. More transfer stories. Kobe Mino of Manchester United. It be like saying you want to leave Manchester United right now. And understand we be waiting Ruben Amorim they do for that club. You never get enough players. The ones where you they get you they do shakara for them. Oyana Moku they look as the matters they go now. As Crystal Palace on table £15 million offer for Manchester City Swiss defender Manuel Akonji. To be or not to be, only time go fit tell. And the size of Yanga Sports for on top 89.9 Yanga FM station with Sabi. Cruiser Express they come next. But before that, enjoy this gbedu. Tony Montana, Skepta, we feature Portable.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.